this module that I'm holding in my hand is 35 watts buck boost converter that I got from Aliexpress, and many of you comment that I fake with the prices, and I'm gonna prove to you that you are wrong. Right now on my Aliexpress app I have searched for 35 watt buck boost converter, and let's choose this one, and it says welcome deal $1.27 for this buck boost, and without welcome deal is 5.77. okay, let's choose which let's go with this one. On this one it says $1 with welcome deal, but it says here $15. That is from another seller. Remember that there are all kinds of products on AliExpress with different prices, and the price will be different, depends where we go with the shipping in different countries. Let's say with this one, $1.9 with welcome deal and $12 for regular price. Okay, let's find another. Let's see this one and take a look. $1.9 with 25% off, and the regular price is $2.54. That is not too much. You just need to search for it. I'm gonna put this link in description below, and the video is not about the price and the comments. I found that this module have a hidden feature, and what is that hidden feature? I'm gonna tell you right now. And what it says in description, the input voltage is from 5.5 volts to 30 volts maximum, and the output voltage can be adjusted from 0.5 to 30 volts. Okay, it's 3 amperes with 4 amperes maximum. It says input voltage 5.5 volts. Okay, let's check that. My electronic load, homemade electronic load that can handle maximum 30 volts and 5 amperes. Also, I'm gonna use this portable with drill battery adjustable power supply unit. I have a full video how to make this and where to buy the module adjustable buck boost converter. This one is 4 amperes, turning on, and is set on 3 volts. Yes, 3 volts. And now I'm gonna power up this module, which is 35 watts buck boost converter, and it says in description that it's working from 5.5 volts, but I'm gonna send it 3 volts. And look, I have a green light, nothing on display, but I tested that I have output voltage. Look, when I connect to my electronic load, 12 volts. I'm converting from 3 volts to 12 volts using this buck boost converter, but the LCD screen is not working. But the converter is working fine. Whoa, just to grab a screwdriver to show you. Now I'm gonna adjust the voltage. Take a look. I can adjust the voltage. I'm gonna set back to, whoa, okay, 12.3 volts. From my power source I'm getting 3 volts and converting with buck boost to 12.3 volts. But the question is, how many amps I can get with 3 volts input? Let's find out. Adjusting to 160 milliamperes, and it's holding on 12.2 volts, and from the source is pulling almost 800 milliamperes. Going to little bit more, 250 250 milliamperes, 12 volts from the source is pulling 1.2 amperes. What does it mean? 12.2 volts times 0.25 amperes. That is, I think this module shows the watts. No, it's not here. Maybe here. Yes, 3.7 watts is pulling this converter from the source and giving 12.2 times 0.25 is around 3 watts. That is alright. Okay. Description it says that it's working from 5.5 volts, but I found out that it's working fine starting from 3 volts. Now I'm gonna change the input voltage. I see some numbers, but not enough. Yes. Okay, 4.5 volts, and I see the numbers on the LCD screen. It says input voltage 4.48 volts, output 0.239 amperes. On my electronic load 0.25 amperes, output voltage 12.2 volts, and the amperes turning off. Right, working that too. Fine. This is 30 volts LED chip that is hooked up on my 35 watts converter, DC-DC converter, but I'm gonna power it up with lithium battery 18650, 3.7 volts, and look, it's working fine. It's pulling 23 milliamperes at 29 volts. Alright. The hidden feature of this converter is that can work with under 5 volts, starting from 3 volts. Such a great device. Okay, thank you for watching. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. Yes, working. Using only one 3.7 volts battery. You can adjust the voltage to maximum 30 volts using only 3.7 volts. That is great.